Today I'm gonna show you how to earn money online. To earn online, the work you should do is bounding box and labeling. The training will be given in the website itself, and for earning, there are certain requirements. There are verified PayPal account to withdraw, as uh, payments are only sent to through PayPal only, and another Facebook account. So if you click the link in the description, there you will get following page. After this dashboard or user interface is shown, go to sign up and direct sign up with Facebook and click I agree to the terms of service. And after you sign up, log in and you will get this dashboard. Now to start work in this website, you should perform some exams first that so that it will be sure that you can work fine. So click on exams and text and complete any of the training below and take the exams. Once you complete your exam or pass exam, your task will be enabled and you can directly start working. So after you pass exam, go to dashboard and start your task question. Click start task. At first read the instruction very carefully. Now your work is just to bound the box. Here according to instruction, this is red and it is home player. So bound the box around the player and label it. Then according to instruction, yellow jersey is away player, so label away. And after you label all the players and ball, all you need to do is click submit. I'm not gonna complete this stuff right now since it will take a long time. I'll go to dashboard. You can see my task attempts 23, approved task 23 and 39 currently in review. The one thing you should know that you will be only paid for correct tasks. Random tasks are not paid. You can check my payment all time. Payment will be sent every Tuesday or every Friday via your registered PayPal. You can also earn by referring your friends. Go to dashboard and go to bottom. You will find a referral link. Just copy the link and share with your friend. And when your friend earns $10, he will get $10 bonus and you will receive $10 as a referral award. The much you work in this side, the much will be the payment multiplier. You can earn around $3 to $5 per hour by leader task and $1 to $3 per hour by normal tasks. Thank you. Happy earning.